In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to email on Framer. First, open your Framer project so you're looking at the canvas. Navigate to your home page to work in a familiar spot. Now open the Insert panel and use the search bar to quickly find the element you want to turn into an email link. A simple text layer, a button, or a link component will all work well. Click to add it to the canvas, then rename the label so it's clear to visitors, something like Email Me or Contact. With that element selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see its properties and fields. Update the text if you haven't already, then find the Link to setting and click it to open the linking options. Choose to link to a URL, and in the URL box, type a Mailto link. The format is simple. Start with Mailto, followed by your email address. If you want to pre-fill a subject or message body, you can add them to the end using subject and end body. If you include spaces or special characters, be sure they're properly encoded so they work reliably. For example, a space becomes %20. This part is optional, but it's a helpful touch for guiding inquiries. While you're here, confirm how the link behaves. For email links, leaving the default target is fine. Clicking will open the viewer's default mail application in a new draft. If you see options like position, link, or pages in the side panel, use them to place the element exactly where you want it, such as your navigation or footer. If your site uses shared components, make the change inside that shared layer so the link appears across relevant pages. If Framer asks you to confirm changes, something like a prompt to apply or continue, go ahead and accept so your updates stick. Take a quick moment to scan the Pages panel and ensure the link sits in the right parent frame and is visible where you expect. If you adjusted alignment or spacing under position, verify it still looks good on the canvas. When everything looks correct, publish your changes. Click Publish, then choose Update to push the latest version live. After publishing, test the link on the live site or in preview. Click your new Email Me link and confirm your email client opens a draft addressed to you. If it doesn't, double-check that the link starts with Mailto and that there aren't any stray spaces or typos. That's all it takes to add a clean, reliable email link in Framer.